Hey guys, it's Stacy here, and today we're going to be replacing rivets that have fallen out from our shelf. So, grab a rivet gun. Got this one from the Airstream factory store. Grab some rivets. These can vary in size, so make sure you're getting the proper size for where you're replacing them. I just went into Airstream and told them the ones I was missing, but check to make sure you're getting the right size. So, let's get to it. One of my rivets that is out actually needs threaded out because part of it's still in there, so just a moment. It actually pushes it through, so it just clears the space to put a new rivet. Yeah, so now I'll replace that. Got my rivet gun. Basically how this thing works is you pull back, load the rivet in, just like that. So it should be flush with the piece here. You're gonna push it through the hole. And then applying pressure because you want it to seal. You're gonna begin squeezing. And then you kind of let up on it a little bit because it's air compressed, or it's air driven. And then pop. Booyah! There's a rivet installed, nice and clean. Yeah, so basically just going around and making sure all the rivets are filled. And then again, ones that are somewhat missing or broken off, using the little drill bit to push those through. And yeah, carry on to the others. Stacy here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use a rivet gun and